Hey guys, it's Marley. Today I have a really different video from what I usually do, and that's because my new shoes arrived from Vans and they are customized. And when I looked up YouTube videos about customized Vans, because I wanted to see how the quality is, I couldn't find anything. So that's why I make this review. I ordered them, I customized them, I put my own picture on it, and now we will see how the quality turned out. Let's start with open this. With open. And by the way, it took 5 weeks or 4 weeks till they arrived, so you shouldn't order them if you need them next week. The customized one with an own picture. So they are in a nice bag. I'm so excited. Okay, I have to say, I have this picture of elephants on it, and the quality turned out so nice. It's really good. So, it is just a really short video, but I want to keep it short because that's not my usual content. But if you want to customize your own Vans with a picture on it and you're not sure about the quality, it is good. I don't know how good you can see this, but the quality is good. I will put a picture in here. It's really, I'm amazed, really. So here they are. They are here, my customized Vans. So if you want to customize your own Vans with your own picture, don't worry, the quality is good. I'm so happy. Okay, so see you in one of my other videos. If you're new to my channel, usually I do covers, so please check them out and see if you want to subscribe or whatever. See you.